Hello everyone, trust you are doing good today. With me here is 2014 November WASSCE technical drawing examination past question 2014. So I'm going to be working on this particular figure that we have here. The question here says that a block drawn in isometric is shown above. Draw full size in first angle projection the following views. A. Front elevation from arrow X. The front elevation in this direction. Then plan, that is taken from the top. Then the side elevation from arrow Y. This side elevation, and it should be in first angle orthographic projection. Now do not forget that we have layout for first angle orthographic projection and third angle orthographic projection, but in this question we are drawing the first angle orthographic projection, and this is the layout for first angle orthographic projection. We have the front elevation drawn here, the top elevation drawn here. This is the angle of projection, while the side is drawn at this side, by the side of the front elevation. Now depending on the direction of the side, like in this case now we are drawing the side in this direction, so it is wise of me drawing the layout this way by drawing the angle of projection this way. Now we have the front elevation here, the top elevation here, and the side elevation here. Still the same thing. Okay, we just move the whole of this way, then the whole of this way. Okay, so that this side rather, is going to be drawn here. Okay, now let's begin. So what we are going to do, I've drawn the layout already, so all I just did was to draw the vertical line and the horizontal line at perpendicular to each other, and this angle at 45. The angle of projection here is at 45 degree. Now let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to start with the front. Looking at it from the front, I'm going to analyze it, seeing the whole of this area. Then I will see this. That's why I put FE here, FE here, the front. Then this circle, I'm going to see this. Okay, it's not going to appear like an oval again. Okay, it's like I'm turning this diagram now. I turn it now to face the observer here. Okay, it's going to be appearing a perfect circle, two concentric circle for that matter. Then I'm going to see the whole of this area. Okay, I will see the whole of this. I will see this hole. There is a hole here. I'm seeing the hole. Okay, all right. So, and we are told that the hole is what? True O. True O. That is the hole. If you look at this figure from the back, you are going to be seeing the hole as well from the back. That is the essence of this true hole. Okay, it penetrates, it pierces into this um, plane, this part. Yes, so let's begin. Let's start. So I'm going to have this now 85. So you can start from this part, or you have a starting line where you start from. It's still correct, it's still the same thing. Okay, so I just begin with this now 85. So this part now. Okay, so I'm going to produce that line up. Okay, so I have that drawn up. Okay, then we have this, okay, as 70. So putting the 70, okay, then draw this. Okay, all right, so that is that. All right, now so let's put in this 10. Now we have this 10, this part. Okay, so 10, this is 1 centimeter. So Okay. All right. So you draw the line that way. Then we have this part now. We have 3 5 here, 35. Okay, before this bridge. Okay, so I'll put that now. Okay, so you have this. All right, so from this represents this bridge. Now from here, now we have it as 15. You can see the value there, 15. So I'll put in that now. Okay, 15. So you have this produce up that way. Okay, so do not worry your head about what the remaining part will be. So we just know this is the remaining part now. Okay, now so let's come to this top. Now you can see you have 10 before the commencement of the circle, so that's why you have this 10 here. So I'm going to come here now. So this is 10. So you have this. So the next thing now, I want to draw this circle, and this circle should be placed at the center of this. Okay, this circle. Okay, so I need to get the middle of this, and we are given as 85. So it is better for me to bisect it. Okay, let me bisect this so that I can get the middle. So just have this like this. Okay, then place here. Have this. Oh, sorry, it has moved. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this exact portion I need. Okay, so I will have this. So that is the center. Let me take this off. Okay, so you have that now. All right, now so to draw the circle, we are told here that the radius of this hole here is 40, the bigger one. Okay, so I'm going to measure that now. So I will use 40. I will use 20 as no, sorry, the diameter is 40, not radius, please. Diameter is 40, so I will use radius of 20. Okay, so place at this point here now. At this point, strike an arc. So take note of the points, that point there. The needle on this part now. I'm going to draw the circle now. Okay. I will draw the circle. I will take the circle out. Okay. Just take the circle out immediately. All right. Okay, so this circle. Now for the one inside also the same thing. We have the radius as 25. I mean the diameter. Why do I keep saying radius? The diameter. This symbolizes diameter, so we have the diameter as 25. Okay, so I'm going to be using radius. I will divide that into 2. Okay, that would be 12.5. Okay, that would be 12.5. 12.5. Okay, so I will just pick that is 1.25. This is 1.25. Okay, so place at the center. We are still using the center, so I'm going to be drawing the other circle. You carefully do that. Oh, sorry, it mustn't shift. Okay, so you have that other circle drawn out that way. Okay, so let's come back to the next thing here. So I'm going to take out this side now. I'm done with that, so I'll just take it out now. So what I have here now, I will take this out, this, take this, so take out the whole of this. Okay, take this out, then I'll take out this one, I'll take this out. Okay, all right, so I don't need to take this out, so it will remain a thin line. Then this part as well, I will not take out everything. I will only take this to this part here, all right, now so let's quickly analyze this. Now if you look at it from this front, now the whole of this area is this. Okay, so we are seeing everything. This part now is this small place here. Then this circle that I said is going to appear a perfect circle. You can see concentric circle, two concentric circle. Then the whole of this area, okay, which will be the whole of this. Okay, the whole of this part here. So we are not going to take out this, so this will not be taken out. So you don't, just make sure it is thin line, make sure it is thin. Okay, so I need not clean everything. Okay, make sure it is thin. Okay, so we have this now. This is our front. This will be the front elevation, Okay, so very quickly now I'm going to be working on the plan now. So the plan now, looking at it from the top, I will see the whole of this part now. So I will see this part here, which is this 10. Okay, this 10. Okay, then I will see the whole of this part. So everything there is 60. Everything is 60, looking at it from the, so I'm going to measure. Now before you do that, now you don't start from this part. Okay, so the two view should not be merged. Okay, so you should leave a space where you are going to be starting the top from. So I'm going to leave a space, leave a reasonable amount of space. Okay, that way. So I'm going to drop this line. I will drop this line, drop this. Okay, so now I'm going to start now. So this 10 now, so I will put this 10 from here. So this is the 10. So you have this. Okay, so like I said, everything is 60. So let's measure 60 from this top, not from this part here. 60. This is the 60. So all right, so you have this way. Okay, now if you are looking at this from the top now, you see this. So you are going to see this now. It's going to appear, okay, like a rectangle. So the whole of the side here is 30. So from here now, I will, first of all, let's drop this line. Let's drop this line. then drop this line. So I'll pick the 30 from here. So I'll pick 30. So this is the 30. Okay. So produce the line to touch the angle that way. Now from this side, from each of the side of this circle, okay, I'm going to drop a line. I'm going to drop the line. So okay, let me use my set square for that. So see what I'm going to do now. Just make sure it is in line with any of the horizontal line, then move it to the side of the square, of the side of the circle this way. Produce this way. I hope you see that now. Then produce for the inner circle as well. Okay. All right. Then this side. Okay. Then finally this side. Okay. All right. So now this, okay, the whole of this side. Okay. I'm going to tick out this now. Okay, let's do that gradually so that we will not make mistakes. So let me tick out this part now. So the part I want to tick out is this part I will see from the top. So I will have this, this. Okay. All right. So I will. Okay, let's tick it out to this part now because I'm going to be seeing the whole of this area as well. I will see the whole of this area. Okay, so I will see the whole of this area like this. Okay, I hope you can see that now. So I'm going to see the whole of this top up to 30, this 30 that I drew. Yes, so I will just take it out to this part here. To this part here. So to this part here. Alright. Okay, so for the circle inside, I'm not going to see that now. So this circle inside, I'm not going to see this circle now. So I'm going to use broken line for it. So I'm going to use broken line. Like this. This way. Okay. Now this is showing that there is a hole inside which you cannot see when looking at it from this top. Then this final part now, as you are viewing from the top, you see here. Then this part now, so it's going to be this one, okay, coming from the top there. So I'm going to take out this. So alright, I will take this out. Then I will take this out. Okay. So this now is going to give us the plan. So this is my plan. Okay, that is the plan. So this is the front, this is the plan. So how do we draw the side now? The side is much more easier now. By the time we get the top, the front and the top accurately. So what I will just need to do now, okay, like I said, I'm going to be drawing that at this side, okay, based on the layout I showed us here. So what I'm going to do now, so you can see each of this line where they touch the line there. where they touch the 45 degrees side. So I'm going to produce line like that. So produce this. So produce this as well. Then finally produce this up that way. Okay, now I'm going to extend this line. Just extend all this line. Okay, like this. Okay, all right, so now we are looking at this. Now we are going to be seeing this first. See this, this. So from here now, okay, so you have this. Okay, then to this part here. Okay, then you have this. Okay, then this. Okay, then this, that way. Then you have this. Okay, so we have that part now. Okay, so we are going to be seeing this, that is. So what I'm going to do now from this part as well, so I'm going to draw for this edge, for this circle. Okay, so from the side of the circle there, move it this way. So you have this, then finally base here. So you have this. So we are told that it's 30. So you can see that this 30 here, so just trace it, it touches this part, it comes this way. So this is where it's going to terminate. This way it will terminate. I hope you can see that. And this top here. So all I just need to do is to take this out. Take this out. Then this is going to appear this way. Okay, so it's going to appear this way. Then this hole that is inside, looking at it like this, it shows that there is a hole inside, which is this. Okay, don't forget that hidden details will represent that with broken line this way. Okay, with broken line this way. Okay, this way with broken line that way. Okay, so then this part now, this part, you know, when you view like this, you are going to see this part come out like this, so which is going to be linking with this. So sorry for that. So I'm going to link this up like this way. So, and we are told, don't forget, okay, very important, we are told that this 25 diameter hole is a true hole. That is, it pierces through this figure here. So it's going to come through like this. So I will put broken line to indicate that there is a what? Is a true hole. There is the hole continues into it. It's a true hole. So that way. Okay, so this is my side elevation. Okay. Yes, then another observation is this. This, because it's a true hole, okay, just like we have it here. Then at this part also, okay, because when you are viewing from the top, there is a hole inside, okay, which cannot be seen. So I'm going to use broken line for this part here. I will use broken line here like this. Okay, I hope you are getting that. So I will use broken line here, broken line here, broken line here. Okay, because we are told that the 25 diameter hole is a true hole, that is, it pierces through inside this part here. When I view from the back, I'm going to be seeing the hole, I'm going to be seeing through it. That is what it implies. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for staying tuned. All right, God bless you. See you in my next video with more solution to technical drawing question. Thank you. Stay blessed.